Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride Bumper Pull 20,000-pound Lowboy equipment trailer with tube top rails. Now, a Lowboy style trailer simply means that the deck is down in between the wheels for a lower ride height. Our Lowboy equipment trailers are available in lengths from 14 feet all the way up to 30 feet. This particular model features an extra wide deck with drive-over fenders for loading larger equipment. So let's start at the front and work our way to the back. Up front, we have a forged 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust the coupler height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer is level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue. Others in the industry often use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we feel that the heavier 8-inch channel provides more strength and stability. The 8-inch channel tongue wraps all the way to the axles and is welded to the first part of the suspension for maximum mainframe support. Every Texas Pride trailer features all of the required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Next, we have a standard 12,000-pound drop leg jack with spring return. Most other trailers have a much lighter jack on them, but we feature one of the heaviest jacks you can get for a trailer this size. The spare tire mount is also located right in front of the jack and is very accessible. Walking around to the side of the trailer, we have a heavy 5-inch channel mainframe on models up to 20 feet in length. Lengths over 20 feet come with a heavier 8-inch channel frame. The top rails of the trailer are 3-inch by 3-inch heavy gauge tubing, and they are about 15 inches in height. On the side of the frame, we have stake pockets in between each upright for securing your load from almost every point on the trailer. The stake pockets are standard on this model. The cross members are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers under the deck. Some other trailers this size use angle iron for the cross members and put them on wider spacing, but we feel there should be plenty of support for varying loads. The decking on the trailer is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the cross members. There is also an option for an upgrade to diamond plate steel flooring as well. Another key feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders. These fenders are purposely made to drive over to accommodate wider than normal equipment. Traction bars are also welded to the front and back of the fenders for maximum grip while loading and unloading, even in wet conditions. The deck is also extended on either side of the frame with steel diamond plating to match the outside width of the fenders. This gives you a full 96 inches in between the top rails and 80 inches in between the fenders. The outside to outside overall width of the trailer is 102 inches. This extra wide deck and drive-over fender combination gives you one of the most versatile Lowboy trailers you can get on the market today. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels. If you get in a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 18-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There is also an option for an available spare tire and wheel which mounts on the front of the trailer. Out of the way, yet easily accessible. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps that are included on this model. You can get your choice of either slide-in ramps that stow underneath the trailer or stand-up ramps with reinforced supports for loading heavier equipment. We also offer aluminum ramps in 5-foot and 9-foot lengths as an upgrade, and they are just as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top-notch. The process starts with the full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride bumper pull 20,000-pound Lowboy equipment trailer with tube top railing and an extra wide deck.